With the overwhelming amount of content available today, personalization is key to engaging users effectively. Today, we'll explore the transformative power of AI in personalized content delivery. Let's dive into how AI is reshaping content delivery across industries. Content personalization isn't new, but AI has revolutionized it. Traditional methods were manual and data limited. AI, however, analyzes vast data in real time, creating detailed user profiles and delivering relevant content, enhancing engagement and satisfaction. So how does AI enhance personalization content delivery? First, we have data analysis and insights. AI processes large datasets, uncovering patterns and insights, predicting future behaviors, and creating impactful personalized strategies. Companies using AI see significant increases in efficiency and sales. Next, dynamic content creation. AI generates personalized content tailored to users' interests, increasing engagement. News websites, for instance, use AI for personalized news feeds, keeping users engaged longer. There's also natural language processing, or NLP. AI understands and generates human language, enabling personalized interactions in chatbots and virtual assistants, providing accurate responses based on user history. Content recommendation engines. Platforms such as Netflix and Spotify use AI-suggested content, refining recommendations as they learn more about users, and therefore driving engagement. And finally, predictive analytics. AI forecasts user behavior, enhancing personalized marketing campaigns, leading to more effective targeting and increased revenue. AI-powered personalization can lead to enhanced user engagement through relevant content, increased conversion rate as users act on tailored content, improved customer satisfaction and loyalty with personalized experiences, and efficient and scalable delivery, reducing costs significantly. However, there are, of course, some challenges to consider. Data security and privacy is a big concern to many. Protecting user data and complying with regulations like GDPR and CCPA is crucial. AI systems should be monitored to prevent and address bias to ensure fair content delivery. Users should always be informed about data usage to build trust in AI-driven personalization. The future of personalized content through AI looks bright. Some predictions that we have made are hyper-personalization, where AI will deliver content super personalized, which will enhance engagement and satisfaction. AI will aid in creating unique storylines and captivating graphics, enhancing the creative process. AI can also help improve distributions by optimizing content reach and engagement by refining distribution strategies. AI may also merge with other emerging technologies such as AR and VR, creating immersive experiences. AI will also enhance interactivity. With real-time adaptive content, user interactions will be more engaging. AI-powered personalized content delivery is transforming the digital landscape, enhancing user experience and driving business success. Whilst challenges like ethical considerations and bias remain, thoughtful collaboration between humans and AI promises a bright future with groundbreaking advancements. At Yodeck, we are dedicated to exploring how AI can revolutionize user experience across different industries. We are constantly exploring these concepts for a better digital signage experience. For more insights, visit our blog at yodeck.com and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.